Popular Afrobeat musician David Adeleke, professionally known as Davido, has recently been entangled in a multiple baby mama web after both Ivanna and Anita clashed on social media, throwing shades at each other. The soon-to-be baby mamas of Davido, Ivanna and Anita have become one of the most talked about personalities on the internet after they came out to disclose they are pregnant for the artist. The fight between the two baby mamas started when Anita threw shade at Ivanna on her Instagram story, where she stated that her surgical body looks much more attractive than that of Ivanna's. Afrobeat superstar David Adeleke, well known as Davido, has expressed gratitude to his fans following a sold-out show in Washington, D.C. amidst his highly anticipated Timeless tour. After a brief absence from the mainstream music scene, Davido made a comeback in March 2022 with his fourth album, titled Timeless, which went on to break numerous African streaming records on major platforms. On July 2, 2023, Davido delighted his fans in Washington, D.C. with a sold-out performance at the 21,000 capacity Capital One Arena, where he treated them to a captivating collection of his classic hits. How many more baby mamas will Davido have?